Hi guys, what's up? It's your girls TwinGodesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another Amazon video since you guys love our Amazon videos. But anyways, this comes from one of my favorite vendors, Nadula, so I'll be sure to link all of their information down below for you guys in case you are interested. But this is the wig that I did pick up from them. This is their 5x5 HD clear lace body wave lace front wig. So as you guys can see, it does have that 5 inches temple to temple and 5 inches back of their clear HD lace. It is also a glueless, so you don't have to melt it down if you choose not to. That is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I won't be using any adhesives or anything, but this is that body wave texture. So as you guys can see, this is how it comes directly out of the pack. Look at this hair, y'all. Like, I promise y'all, like Nadula, yes, leave your experiences down below with Nadula. They actually always allow me to just buy the hair from Amazon so that you guys can see exactly what you're going to be getting. So I love that about Nadula. But anyways, with this particular unit, it did come with semi-bleached knots in a pre-plucked hairline. But the knots to me weren't really bleached that well. So what I'm going to do is go in with my bleaching concoction, and I'm just going to further go in and get those knots nice and clear. So if you guys are interested in how I do bleach my knots, I'll link a video above in the card so you guys can check it out. I allowed that to sit on the lace for about 15 minutes, not that long because it was already semi-bleached, and this is how it looks. I did run out of toner, so please ignore the brassy knots. Okay, we're gonna get through it. But anyways guys, for washing the hair, I like to use my silicone mix products. I'll link all of that down below in case you are interested. Silicone mix products really keep the hair nice and manageable. I don't know what it is, it just works with my weaves and wigs, so yeah, I completely recommend it. But guys, this is how the hair looks after it's nice and clean, and that is all the shedding that I did get with this particular unit. So this is how the hair looks once those knots are bleached. As you guys can see, it is a little bit brassy, but we're just going to ignore that. But anyways, when you're dealing with body wave hair, after you've washed it, you want to place that volume and curls back in the hair. So I am taking a little bit of my serum and just applying a little bit to the hair, and using my round brush and my hair dryer with a concentrator nozzle, I like to go through the hair to just dry it and to add that volume back. These two things is what's going to give you that nice face framing, voluminous, airy style. You definitely want to dry the hair and add that volume back. Now for laying the hairline, I like to use my Carrot wax stick and my hot comb and just go through it just to get it nice and laid. I did opt for a center part in this style. You can do like a slight side part, but because of the 5x5, we want to just do a center part just to be safe. Okay, one thing that I have learned is that when you're doing body wave, you really want to frame your face. So I like to direct the hairline backwards and direct the rest of the hair forward, if that makes any sense. Okay, this is going to really help with framing your face with this particular style. Now because this hair does have that 5x5 of that parting space, you kind of want to opt for some baby hairs. So I just pulled out a little bit of hair. We're going to do baby hairs later on, but right here I'm just going to take my biggest curling wand. You can use any size that you prefer, and just go in and add those curls back to the hair. Now once I'm done with that, I'm just going to just work on the baby hairs, and I will be back. Okay, so now I'm just going to just quickly cut off that lace. I say this in all my videos. I like to use an eyebrow razor. This is the easiest and quickest way to get that lace cut off, as well as it's the best way to get that jagged cut. As you guys can see, that actually is going to blend in with your skin a lot better than a straight blunt cut. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig on, and as you guys can see, this is how their HD lace looks on my skin. Now I am going to use a little bit of this powder because I am not melting this wig down. Now if I would have used any adhesives, it would have melted down perfectly, but I wanted to just kind of keep it simple because it is a 5x5, so no adhesives in this video, but a little bit of a darker powder is going to help with blending that into my skin. Now I'm taking a little bit of my LA Pro concealer and placing that in the part just to kind of define it and clean it up a bit, and this is how that looks. So as you can see, my curls did drop a little bit, so I definitely recommend investing in a really good hairspray because my hair was sitting around for a few days and those curls pretty much dropped. So what I'm going to do here is re-add those curls. I'm going to use a little bit of my Got2b freeze spray to kind of freeze those curls in place and then fluff it, and once I'm done with that, I will be back. Okay, so this is my finished look. As you guys can see, look at that shine. I wish you guys can feel this hair. It is so incredibly soft, and I absolutely love the 5x5 because it just makes things easier for me. But yeah, this is the angles of the hair so you guys can see just where that 20-inch falls on me. This is a pretty long 20-inch, so you're definitely gonna get a bang for your buck. But y'all, can we please have a moment for their HD lace? But you guys also have to remember, you might still see it, but it's not melted down. Like, tell me any wig that is invisible like this that is not melted down. You probably can't. But anyways, guys, again, this is Nadula from Amazon. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and I will catch you all later. Bye. Never felt this